Kada kayo amin ako, kada dito'y kanta, amin nga sang kunyang bayan members, itataunwan di ayayaten tayo Vice Mayor. Kada kiti amin ako, nga 39 barangays nga kada dito'y, nga ipapamuluan na dito'y ayayaten punay nga kapitanes. Kada kiti amin ako nga department heads, ang amin ako nga empleyado, alak ako nato nga gundaway nga agyaman, kada kayo amin. Itema kayo tagta, at kay kaysa nga ili, nasalunat nga umili, sa diri, tiyag nanayon, sa diri nagnanayon nga talinaay kay progreso, idiri, naita ako, ititema kayo, katlumang pa'y awan itisinong kayo, iti ay ayaten tayo nga guest of honor, and speaker nga ni ako, Gobernador Bacoy Ortega, and the special guest tayo ako, nga ni ako, Congresswoman Sandra Erigel, ganyan ang lakiw na ako, iti managkadlaaw na kada tayo amin, iti happy 434th Foundation Anniversary. Kat mangdamnama, kayo ako gobernador, kana ako Erigel, iti suportamat ako, iti entero nga kumili iti Bauang. Kaya tumat ako nga i-acknowledge na ito yung Board of Judges, they will be introduced properly later. Kaya let us all relax and have fun tonight. Namin ako as per Presidential Proclamation number 870, January 6 is a non-working holiday. So awang ako itirason, kahantay nga palpasan natin nga programa, awang tirason nga hantay nga i-enjoy natin nga programa. Let us sit back and relax, kahit kumambat ako, kakablaawan, iti Mutya iti Bauang, 2019 Limpos Martin, ada dito'y ako sinong kayo. Kada kiti ako, mangungiwan-wan-wan, iti peace and order, PNP, MTR, POSO, kada kiti amin manan ako nga empleyado, iti LGU, alat tayo nga gundaway ako, nga agyaman kada kayo. Ken kada kayo amin ako ay ayatek nga umili, nga awan labas na. Thank you very much ako, iti support tayo, and let us sit back and relax and have fun tonight. Kada kayo amin ako, good evening po.
Welcome to the vibrant and beautiful town of Baggak. Aside from vibrant and beautiful, the words that best describe this town today are dynamic, forward-looking, prosperous, and peaceful. It is a magnet and haven for businessmen, tourists, and all kinds of travelers. The hard-working, generous, hospitable, and happy people of this town are an essential and integral component of the beauty that embodies Bauang. Tonight is a celebration of all that, a night of beauty, wit, and glamour. With the 12 lovely candidates representing the 10 districts, the Bauang Tourism Council, and the Bauang Association of NGOs, we ask all of you to join us in witnessing the search and coronation of Mutya iti Bauang 2020.
Proudly representing District 9! mesmerized and be fascinated. Here are our 12 lovely, alluring ladies in their evening gown.
Yes, I'm back again.
Hands up! Beautiful! There you go. Okay,
How do we present? How do we call out the presenters?
You were going to all about it.
Cute.
God, I'm very excited to know who's won
Okay,
tonight.
What's the first one?
Okay, please do the honor on our first and the final award. So how are you feeling, candidate number one?
Feeling excited.
Okay, so I know you have a lot of fans tonight. Ano masasabi mo?
I'm going to do my best.
Okay, so candidate number one, you may now pick your question.
Yeah.
Okay, good luck.
Judges, ready?
Please read it.
Okay, let me read it for you. If you're going to create your own hashtag, what hashtag about yourself are you going to make and why?
I'm going to create a hashtag, which is called hashtag Be Creative. Because I know that I represent creativity because I can spread creativity throughout whole Bauang. You can do it, you can do it. Thank you. Go, go. Good. Guys, give her applause. It's really hard to stand on stage in front of an audience and be judged on Q&A. Yeah, this is your moment. Take it. It's going to be called hashtag Be Creative because my advocacy is spreading art in the locality of Bauang. And not only that, but it's also by using recycled materials to help also the team rediscover Bauang. Very nice. So that our municipality isn't only just a beautiful municipality that's creative and colorful, but it also attracts tourism. Congrats. Thank
She is
you
artistic,
so much.
you know.
Congratulations.
You
Candidate
did
number 1.
amazing.
Yeah, Jasmine Joy Colombiano. A round of applause, please.
Congrats.
Nice hashtag, nice hashtag.
Yes.
Yes.
It's about creativity and recyclable use.
Oh, we'd like to inform everyone that
Okay.
the basket here I'm carrying is a product of Labtang Weavers of the Barangay Santa Monica, Bauang. Palakpakan natin. Local product po natin itong basket.
Yeah. We were actually briefed about this basket.
Yeah.
Very
You can bring this home
basket.
mamaya.
Yeah, why not?
Fashionable yan for you.
Yes, can go in my condo.
Yep.
Sometime.
Okay, let's proceed to our next candidate, candidate number 2.
Yes.
Please go down.
Candidate number 2.
Asan yung mga supporters?
Sa mga fans na number 2.
Yeah.
Hi.
Candidate
I love
number
your
2.
eyeshadow. So nice.
So, I know ang dami mong fans tonight. Any messages for them?
I just wanted to say thank you for everyone who supported me, and I will do my very best.
Okay. All right. You may now pick your question.
Yes.
There you go.
Q&A.
Let me read it for you.
She's so fast. She's very confident.
Wow. This is huge.
Because we're also carrying.
Haba.
Yeah. Okay, here's your question. One hole in this card. Filipinos are extremely proud of our 2 recent Miss Universe winners, and that is Miss Pia Baggak and Miss Catriona Gray. Aside from their beauty, what qualities do you think they have that made them stand out and win over the rest of the contestants from all over the world?
I believe, other than their beauty, I believe that they both won because they have a passion. They have a passion of trying to change the world and to become a better, and to make the world a better place to live in. Their beauty lies behind the beholder, and not only that, Catriona Gray and Pia Baggak represented the Philippines not as one but as a whole nation, and they had their beauty, their win, and that's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 2.
Congratulations, that is Amelia Sophie Tesmer, candidate number 2. Okay, please step forward, candidate number 3.
That is the Miss Photogenic girl.
Daming
Yeah.
And
fans.
she has very exotic
So
skin.
many fans here.
I love your gown. I know ang dami mong blessing ngayon pa lang sa stage ng paligsahan ito. Any message to your supporters tonight?
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Ano lang, mas short pero sweet.
Yeah, short and sweet.
You may now choose your
Yes,
question.
okay, pick your question.
Candidate number 3. Let me read it for you. Breathe in. Stay in. Breathe out. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is quite small. Alright. Okay, here's your question. What do you think is the most in-demand college course today that would test guarantee future employment?
I believe, naniniwala ko na information
Okay, congratulations as Zairo Zero, candidate number 3.
IT.
IT.
Very in demand and very trendy.
Actually, computer from the word itself. Everybody uses it.
I mean, this is her course.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
you know, actually, to tell you frankly, I think she is a neophyte. It's her
Yeah.
first pageant.
You fight. Congrats.
She should be confident to even speak in her own language.
Yeah.
Why not?
Okay, let's
Now
move
let's
on.
move forward to
Candidate number
Candidate number
4,
four.
Jasmine Manzano. There you go. Colorful gown.
asan yung mga fans ni number 4?
Wow, wild! Ayan, ang dami ng supporters, di ba? Narinig mo naman. Any message for them tonight?
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Short and sweet as well.
They love it short and sweet.
Jasmine, move forward. Come on.
Yep.
Here.
There you go. Don't be shy.
Okay.
Alright, pick your question. Alright, let me read it for you. Okay, here's your question. For your particular, what would be the ideal job or your dream job and why?
Well, for me, my dream job is being a teacher. Because I want to inspire people. I want to inspire children that loves me. I want to inspire people na they give me also inspiration because those people are believing in me. And I want them to believe themselves also. So I want to be a teacher, to educate them and inspire them for their future. Thank you very much.
The most noble profession.
Very important, yeah.
Congratulations, candidate number 4, Jasmine.
All respect for our teachers. Actually, they deserve it.
They
Because
deserve
they're not also like our parents. We learn a lot from our teachers.
Our first teachers.
This time, we're gonna have candidate number 5, Maricar Cabiles. In an emerald green gown.
A prosperous green.
Yes.
It's very Christmas.
Yeah. So, candidate number 5. Any message to your fans tonight?
I just want to say thank you, and I'm so very thankful that I stand in the stage and showing my flows, that I'm accepting my flows, and thank you to all of you guys. God bless us all, and happy fiesta.
Okay, you may now choose your question
Go.
from our magic basket. Alrighty. Okay, this is one huge index card again. And I can't open it.
Difficult to open.
And we're carrying
Forgive
a lot of
me.
papers.
Okay, here we go. To paraphrase the famous words of President John F. Kennedy, ask not what Bawang can do for you, ask rather what you can do for Bawang.
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 Okay. What can you do for Bawang? Kapalakpakan niyo naman ako. Thank you
Ikaw
so
na
much.
lang ng Q&A.
Bawang.
You're excused.
What can you do for this town if you become or win the crown?
If I join Miss Mutya iti Bauang 2020, I joined this budget not only for myself, because of my town. I have an advocacy to promote and protect the Bawang Bakawan Ecotourism Park, because we all know that mangrove has a lot of benefits in our area, and I want to educate people how important mangrove, because me, myself, and I are very much scared about global warming, because I just want to say that we need Mother Earth, but Mother Earth needs us too. Thank you.
Congratulations, candidate number 5. Maricar Cabiles.
Future Miss Earth.
Climate change is very important.
That is
And it
so-
should be recognized.
So striking.
I know.
She's gonna make a great teacher, educating her students on climate change.
Okay,
And
let's
now
move
let's
on.
call on our best in swimsuit. Candidate number 6.
Sandra Luisa Mano.
Manogno.
Okay, there you go.
Bright yellow gown.
Sunny yellow. Okay, you have a lot of
Who's the
supporters.
designer of her
Who's
gown?
the designer of your gown?
Sir Bobby Baggak.
Wow! Grabe! Sir! Okay, so you have a lot of supporters here tonight. Any messages for them?
Yes, thank you very much sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa akin ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. You give strength and add confidence sa pag-vlog ko ng aking assets and even my flaws dito sa stage. Thank you.
Okay,
Right.
you may now choose your
Into
question.
the ball.
There you go. Alright. Easier to open. Hopefully it's easier to answer to. Okay, this is your question. Which celebrity do you idolize and why?
Well, personally, I am a person that isn't a fangirl. But if I were to choose a celebrity to idolize, I would idolize Anne's beautiful face, beautiful body, her wealth, and her talent. She's still down to earth. If we are watching her and shows her talent, she shows it effortlessly and shows that every girl is empowered regardless of their flaws and their assets. Anne Curtis is an epitome of an empowered woman and shows us that every girl in the world, white or black, beautiful or not, fat or thin, whoever you are, whatever you are beautiful. Be like Anne Curtis, a mother, a single but still beautiful, down to earth, confident, and very, very proud. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Well said. And Anne Curtis is on maternity leave.
Reality, Miss Friendship. Are you friendly?
Yes.
Yes, okay. You have a lot of supporters tonight. Message naman sa kanila.
Thank you for supporting me sa lahat ng pumunta.
Ayan, okay. You may now choose your question. Okay. Let me read it for you. Okay, this is also quite... Here you go. Here's your question. Do you think beauty pageants such as this one are worth having? Explain your answer.
Having this kind of beauty pageants is very important to show how empowered the women, how beautiful we are, and to showcase our talent. It's not about having a beautiful body and a beautiful face, but having a beautiful soul. And we had our advocacy. We're not just ramping with swimsuit with a beautiful body. Because I had an advocacy. My advocacy is to encourage the Filipino out-of-school youth to come back to school to have a proper education. Because for your information, I am an out-of-school youth for 3 years, and yet I'm still blessed because God made me realize how education important is. And this 2019, I am blessed because I came back to school. And I am joining pageants because I want to inspire and motivate the Filipino out-of-school youth to continue the journey and the dream that he started. Thank you.
That's so nice.
Well done. Candidate number 7.
Yes,
Thank you very much. Blue is the color of the year
Yes, it's the
2020.
Mutya.
Just defined it right.
Yep. You have a lot of supporters tonight. Any messages for them?
Well, actually, my heart is indeed joyful, grateful right now. I just want to thank my family, my friends, my relatives also for supporting me.
Thank you. You may now choose your question. There you go. Let me read it for you. Is it okay? Yes. Okay, here's your question. What personal qualities do you have that make you unique and different from your fellow candidates and contestants?
Qualities that I have is confidence. Because being here in front is not that easy. To face the crowd is not that easy. Because most of the people are laughing at you when you commit mistakes. Most of the people then are supporting you if...
Well, you can do it.
The confidence will shine within you. It is like a beautiful butterfly effect that will enhance your spirit to face the crowd, to be here on stage, and to prove that everything is possible and you can do it. Thank you.
Very good.
Thank you.
You did
It is. It is. It shows confidence to stand to the
Candidate number
stage.
8.
Congratulations.
Candidate
Okay.
number 9.
Candidate number 9. Ganda. Baruelo.
Ganda ng pangalan niya, no? Ganda na talaga.
We don't need to put an adjective for you because you're ganda, Baruelo. What's your message for your fans tonight?
Thank you for supporting me tonight.
Okay, that's really cute. You may now
There we
choose
go.
your question. Woo! Good luck.
Questions left.
Let me read it for you. It's okay? Okay, here's your question. In your own little way, how can you prevent bullying in your school or community? Okay, let me read my question. In your own little way, how can you prevent bullying in your school or community?
Bullying. This is the as the saying goes, those who judge never understand, and those understand will never judge. As one of millennials now, one of the biggest problem is bullying. Bullying is bring us depression and mental issues and
Okay, thank you so much. Number
She
9.
had a valid point.
Yeah.
Depression is very, very, rampant right now,
Yeah.
lalo na dahil sa social media. So, I'd like to say, don't always believe everything that you see.
Candidate number 10.
Valerie Polite.
There you go, Valerie. Wow.
She's a very daring girl.
Yeah.
Okay, narinig mo ang dahil mong supporters tonight. Any messages for them?
I would like to say thank you to all of my supporters, to my family and friends for all of your effort.
Okay, here's your question. Who is your current role model and why?
Of course, as a daughter, my role model is my mother. Why? Because ever since when I was in her womb, he already had this struggles, not just physically but also emotionally. When my father is away and working abroad, she is the one who is taking care of me. And because of that, I am here standing in front of you, and I am the one that represents a mother that is a laundry woman only. Despite of the poverty, she sends me to a private school. Despite of the poverty, despite of her work, she made me realize that I am beautiful. Despite of the lack of finances, he makes me determined to go for scholarship and pursue my dreams. As well as to my father here, I would like to say thank you for loving me, supporting me, and doing your best for me and my siblings, despite of all the struggles and hardships we face in our life. Thank you.
Very heartfelt.
Congratulations.
It makes me miss my own mother. Very tough.
She's so emotional. Happy Mother's Day.
Congratulations, candidate number 10.
It's so good.
Okay, moving on. We have candidate number 11, Anjali Kumar. Our best in town.
Yes, our best home gal.
I met her designer backstage. Really good. Congratulations. Okay? Alright. So, ang dami mong supporters tonight. Any messages for them?
hello po sa mga pumunta, and I would like to thank you all, and God bless. Yan lang po.
Okay, here we go. You may now choose your question. Alright. Thank you so much for opening it for me. Okay, here's your question. What's your favorite movie and why do you like it so much?
My favorite movie would be The Little Prince. The Little Prince is a movie that talks about a adult who still wants to and who still The movie talks about an adult who still wants to unleash the childish version of him inside, and he has traveled different worlds in which there are different characteristics like being greedy, being a businessman who doesn't have a time for his family. And with that movie, I have learned to value the people around me and give things for they are there to support me. And the movie also taught me that the things that are valuable in life are not
those that we can see, but those we can feel from those who support us. Thank you.
Congratulations, candidate number 11, Anjali Kumar, The Little Prince. I love that movie. I love that smile. Okay, you have a lot of fans tonight. Any messages for them?
Good evening, sorry. Good evening to everyone. Actually, I'm nervous and I think every candidate feels that, but I want to stand here with confidence and brave enough to face all of you. And I want to say thank you to the support and love. Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right, here's your question. We only have one left.
Yeah.
You have no other choice.
No choice.
Okay, here you go. Here's your question. Lately, there has been a reported rise in teenage pregnancy in our country. What is your advice to young ladies with regards to this problem?
Actually, I want to... Gusto kong sabihin sa mga babae na maging open lang sila sa mga parents nila because I think teenage pregnancy first is start sa mga family. It lacks of advices, lacks of love sa mga family nila kaya naghanap sila ng love sa labas. So I think first to start is to open with your family, and I think yung mga mother and father ninyo, I think mas marami silang masasabi sa inyo, mas matutulungan nila kayo sa mga problema ninyo, and I think yeah, it's good. And I think so teenage pregnancy, you must have to be open to your family because lahat ng pamilya ninyo ay masusuportahan kayo at magbibigay sila ng advice para maiwasan itong teenage pregnancy. Thank you so much.
Okay, let's give it up for Dimple Martin!
Please come to the stage.
Where are you, Dimple?
I saw her kanina standing and sitting in the audience.
Baka kinabo si Ruru sa bus.
Maybe. Baka ano.
Where is Dimple Martin?
Yeah.
Our reigning.
There she is.
There we go!
So beautiful. In her gown.
Are we going to have a chair in here? No. Ayan.
No, I
Check
think we're
that.
going to stand like naturally.
Wow. Hello, Dimple. How are you? I'm
Yeah.
Prince.
Hi. I saw you earlier.
Yeah. You know what? I really love how this looks like a press junket. Para tayo nasa press, no? So right now, kung dati meron tayong catwalk, yung final walk, but this time, interviewin ka namin. Okay lang ba yun?
Yes.
Okay, so you know what? It's been a long journey for you.
Yeah.
How does it feel that parang kailan lang ikaw yung kinoronahan and right now, ipapasa mo na ang corona?
I'd say it's euphoric. What a meaningful year it has been, and I can't wait to see a new queen receive and wear what's rightfully hers.
Yes, and of course, we want to know what kind of activities and advocacies you did so the girls know what to expect on their winning year.
Yeah, ano nga ba yung mga advocacy na yun?
Winning actually opened opportunities for me to participate and raise awareness on rampant social issues. Aside from judging stints here, I got involved in a suicide prevention campaign in Baggak City and a film festival in Urdaneta. That's how I connected and became a part of a circle that is continuously expanding.
Oh, right.
That's
That is
very
really amazing.
important, yeah.
Actually, very alarming. That's very alarming. As we said right now is choir going high. So, anong pinagkakaabalahan ng isang Dimples ngayon? I know you have a lot of fans right now, but what are you into it right now?
This year I have decided to invest on myself by acquiring knowledge through crash courses. That's why recently, my dad doesn't know this, recently I quit my job to rediscover on what I'm passionate of.
That is a big revelation made.
I didn't tell him.
Is he watching?
I think he's
Oh
here.
wow, okay. No, I'm sure your family is going to support you all the way. It doesn't mean anything even if you quit school or, quit your job. Yeah, you can find your passion. So of course, we want to know as well, who do you want to thank, who guided you aside from of course your family and working with you during this reign?
Of course, I couldn't have done it without the people who guided me every step of the way. First and foremost, I want to thank our Heavenly Father for fulfilling every aspect I have fallen short. To my family and friends, especially my parents, for believing in me, for their undying love and limitless support. To the best gown designer and makeup artist, Sangguniang Bayan member, Noni Baradi, my mentors, Tita Alicia and Ate Ash, for their patience and their artistic work. To our former Mayor, Honorable Nilohin Clarence P. de Guzman III, and our beloved Mayor now, Honorable Menchi Lumboy de Guzman, and Sir Joel Makalay as well, and the whole JNGM production for granting dreams with this pageant. And to all the people I met along my journey, I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Yes, you achieved a lot, and congrats, and we wish you full success.
Yes, indeed. Congratulations to you. I know you help a lot of people. You have an imprint dito sa Bauang. Diba? Ang dami mo ng fans, ang dami mo ng supporters. So ngayon, ililipat mo na yung corona. Do you have any message or inspiring message sa susunod sa yapak mo this time?
To my successor, do not learn the purpose of winning. Let the purpose learn you as you enjoy and embrace your journey. With humility and love for Bauang, I pray that you go further.
That's a lovely message. Thank you so much, Daniel. Congratulations. You did so well, amazing, and I hope you're not gonna stop here and continue to pursue pageants and of course your future career as well.
Ladies and gentlemen, our reigning queen, Dimples! Let's give her a big
Lahat kayo reyna sa mga puso namin. And you did a good job. Palakpakan nyo naman ngayon yung sarili nyo. Puro kami ang pumapalakpak. Ngayon, palakpakan nyo yung sarili nyo. There you go. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, our fourth runner-up is no other than...
I have to call on the presenters.
The
presenters for the fourth runner-up is SPM Andy Guzman, Madam. And judge number 5, Sir Lester Jerome Hibol.
There you go. Medyo na-preempt yung drum roll.
Yes, very excited.
Yeah.
Sir Jerome, and maybe you guys want to alternate for Ma'am Ann.
Alright. Okay, let's give a big hand to our presenters! Here we go.
So here we go.
Here we go. Guys, malapit na tayo mag-iwalay-walay. I-pop up nyo na yung energy natin. Sigaw nyo yung kandidato nyo tonight! There you go. Meron pa.
This is for the fourth runner-up.
Our fourth runner-up is candidate number 5, Maricar Cabiles.
Marica Cabiles is the fourth runner-up. Congratulations! She's our third warrior a while ago, right? Back with punchline they changed. Congratulations!
There you go.
Ready for the third runner-up? May we call on SPM Baggak, sir? And judge number 4, Madam Emily Season. Please join us.
For our third runner-up, Margo, do the honor, please.
Margo, sigaw natin.
So, now just wait for the
Presenter.
presenters to get here.
Woo, we're getting close!
Yeah, so, eto na. This car. Okay na. Okay, so this is our third runner-up this evening. Congratulations to candidate number 10, Valerie Pullman.
Candidate number 10 is third runner-up. Congratulations.
Valerie
Very
Baggak.
well done.
Okay.
Very spontaneous a while ago.
Okay. We now proceed to the second runner-up.
Thank you very much, by the way, Ma'am Season and SPM. Thank you. For the second runner-up, may we call on Sangguniang Bayan member Tanya Roberta de Guzman and Madam Ana Bernardo Francisco to do the honors in presenting the second runner-up
Second runner-up.
2020.
While we are waiting for our presenters, muli maraming salamat po Mayor Menchi de Guzman. Maraming salamat po. And of course, our Vice Mayor Henry A. Bauang Jr. Thank you so much for having us.
So here we go.
I think we're ready.
Yeah, exciting.
Okay, Tito Bob, it's your time to shine.
The second runner-up 2020 Mutya iti Bauang is no other than candidate number 2, Delia Sophie Stasper. Congratulations. Yes, match na match.
Okay, photo op, there you go. Picture.
Congratulations. Thank you very much, Ma'am Tanya.
Okay, I have to ask this. Who's
Okay, so, sino muna ko mina-announce? First runner-up o yung winner na?
Wala eh, maraming natira eh.
Okay, so napag-decision na ng ating mga nagkagandahang mga organizers. I will be announcing the first runner-up. Meaning, siyempre, marami pa pala sila. Akala ko dalawa na lang. And hindi pa pala mapapayag. Okay, so let's move on to our first runner-up. Let's call up the presenters.
Right, maybe call up Vice Mayor Henry Bacornay. Sangguniang Panlalawigan member Madam Nancy Bacornay. She's still around. And judge number 2, Engineer Oshi Alvarez.
Okay, before we award our first runner-up, thank you so much to our major sponsors for the Tony Valley Suites, 1590 Energy Corporation, Honorable Francisco Emmanuel Capoy Ortega III, Dante S. Garcia, Calica Construction, Phil Vision Trading, Ken Hao Chinese Cuisine, Car Brake Auto Supply, Philippine Topwood Industries and Trading Corporation, GSTech General Merchandise, People's Engineering Services and General Merchandise, Bauang Number, Toyota La Union Incorporated, Rural Bank of Bauang, Land Bank of the Philippines, palakpakan po natin ang mga general sponsors. Marami pa sila dito on, papakitin natin. And now, our first runner-up. It's with you. Woo! Our first runner-up is candidate number! Candidate number! Candidate number! Candidate number 6!
Candidate number 6 is first runner-up. Thank you very much, Vice Mayor Henry and Sir Alvarez. Thank you. And congratulations, Sandra. Crown your successor together with Mayor Menzi de Guzman and Sir Martin, if she is still around, and the Chairman of our Board of Judges, Dr. Anjali Cortez. Please do the honors in presenting the prizes, the sacks, the bouquet, the trophy, and the crown. Our new Mutya iti Bauang for 2020.
Thank you so much to Land Bank of the Philippines, National Authority of Compliance Center, Lighthouse Green Valley Residence, Legacy Conference of Catering Service, our Anjali Basket Beauty Salon and Spa, Paritoni Valley Suites and Villa, Philippine Veterans Bank, Absolute Advantage, Photon, Republic and TN, San Miguel Brewery, Black and Greens General Merchandise, Yami Esperanza, White House Resort, Jollibee and Ascot, palakpakan po natin ang mga sponsors! The moment we've been waiting for. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, our Mutya iti Bauang 2020 is now
Hello everyone, I am Anjali from Pradeep, your newly crowned Mutya iti Bauang 2020. And di ko talaga ina-expect na mananalo ako. And I'm super thankful sa municipality na to for giving me the chance. And of course sa handler ko and sa lahat ng mga tao na nagsisige para makamit ko yung title na to. And I would also like to commend JM Production sa hard work po nila. Yun lang po.